Guys, I found this box at Target for $20. Nickelodeon slime mystery box. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's open it. We got some instructions. Makes 48 slimes. Ooh, those look pretty. Which one is your favorite?
This one.
Ooh, I like that one too. Crunchy. Let's pull the stuff out. So let's start with these. Oh, foam beads. Alright, let's lay it down on the table. And let's see what else we got. Lots of glitter. Come on out of here, kitty cat. Okay. Let's see what's in the next box. What's inside? Oh, paint and scents. That's a lot. It smells good. Okay. Next. This one's heavy.
This one is tiny.
Oh, what is that? Let me see. Slime activator. White slime glue. Clear slime glue. And clear slime glue. Is it all?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one more box. This is a big box. Oh yeah, mixing bowl. Spoons and mixers. This is a lot of materials. You have chosen white glue, right? What color glitter did you pick?
I pick white.
What color glitter?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. White glue. Measure 15 milliliters of white glue and pour it into a bowl. Measure 30 milliliters of water and pour it into the same bowl. Milliliters, so let's do that. Of glue. Too close. Here we go. Hold on. Wait. Six, 15 milliliters. Pour it in carefully. 30 milliliters of water.
We need this.
Now you need to mix. Careful, don't make a mess. Good job. Mix it good. Mix it good. Next it says measure 5 milliliters of slime activator solution and slowly pour into the same bowl while stirring slowly. Now, I don't want to measure out 5 milliliters. I think what I'm going to do is add like a drop at a time. while Trinity mixes. Are you ready to mix? And then we'll see if it activates. Okay, mix.
What happy now?
Well, hopefully it'll start activating. We have to keep mixing. Oh, it's getting kind of jelly.
What, Daddy?
Keep mixing.
You are Daddy. Oh, yeah, boo.
Okay, guys, so I took over the mixing process because Trinity was just getting too excited. So it's all gelled up now. And the next thing it says to do is to remove the slime and ned with your hands. Here's the glitter that Trinity's chosen. I've laid the slime out. I'm just going to sprinkle some in the middle here. And then we will fold this in. Hopefully it sticks and doesn't fall out. And here we have our finished product. Why don't you give it a stretch, Trinity? How does it feel? And we're on our way to making a big mess.